and we back. This one I didn't do an intro for. I use all of the same colors that I did on the last painting. And I just wanted to do something a little bit different with this one. I just put all of the colors into a cup, and I kind of like pushed it. I mean, like I poured it, but kind of pushed it to kind of make a little bit of a design. And then when I got towards the end, I kind of poured some ribbons over top. And when I tilted, it kind of made a cool looking painting. I don't know what this, it kind of reminds me of something, and I don't know exactly what it reminds me of. So we're just going to say, all right then, and look at the actual painting closer. We always start with the bottom corner. And the one thing that I really love about this is the ribbons turned into something like really cool as far as a design, and there's not a ton of cells. Like there's some, like you can see them right in there, but there's not a ton of cells. A lot of times I'm not a huge fan of the cells, and especially not like a million small cells. That drives me absolutely bonkers. But I really like how this came out, and like the design, like right here in this area right there. Is it gonna focus? Probably not. I did kind of stretch it a little bit right here, but I do like how it looks with the gold kind of interlaced in this corner, and like how the gold is kind of through it all. I hope it actually dries as shiny as I think it's going to, and like this has been actually pretty cool. So thank you for checking your boy out. Do the things y'all know. Facebook.com/PTCAC. It's your boy Scarfinger, aka Mike, aka PTCAC representative, excuse me. And until next time, peace out.